Meaning of heckler.
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 Heckler. A heckler is a person who interrupts a public speaker or performer with loud, negative comments or insults. Heckling is often used as a form of protest or to express disapproval, but can also be used simply to disrupt and annoy. Hecklers are generally seen as disruptive and disrespectful, and their behavior can be seen as an infringement upon the speaker's right to free expression. While heckling may be legal in certain contexts, it is generally discouraged and seen as impolite behavior. In short, heckling is a form of public disruption through negative comments or insults.